official video here on YouTube. I'm so shy. I feel really strange talking in front of a camera. So I'm not so much of a frontal babe, right? That's because, you know, I just feel like I don't know how to do it, but I have a frontal hair, right? So in the real sense, it's not for me, it's for my sister. So anyway, I just want to see if I'll be able to get it, and that's if my subconscious has really like retained enough knowledge I've gathered, right, in this whole hair industry. So let's just get right into the video. First things first, usually I apply this got to be, right, I just apply it on my edges just to sit down the edges a little and be sure that what I have is the right thing, right? So just want to be sure that it's going to give me a very, very smooth finish. So let's just quickly now I use my this freeze blast. Okay, so it's going to fit my head perfectly when I'm ready, right? So I put this blast right on my edges. I don't like to use glue. I really, really, really don't like to use glue. It's my dryer, so I just spray this very generously on it and use my dryer. So touch your hair and be sure, okay, yes, it's already sticking to the ground. It's sticking to my forehead. So since I already know that this is the perimeter of my hair, I just bring this one here and, you know, set it. Just, it's more like arranging it and to be sure that I'm not doing rubbish. So this is how I like it to be. Then I just use it underneath again. On this side also comes like so I have some spray on it, right? I just sprayed this thing just a little because I want to remove the edges. I want the edges to be out of my way, so I just slick it down a little. Don't worry, I know this is a perfect example of trust the process. As funny as that sounds, this is a perfect example of trust the process. So just trust me and trust this process. I'm sure. So I'll tie the edges down. Just to be sure. Just going to be out of my way, so I'm just going to tie the edges down. That's it. So now you see me doing this. I want to be sure that everything is out of the way. Okay. Now I want a center part actually. So this is what I'm gonna do. And then I want a center part. To define my edges, to define my parts, I like to use this as electric concealer to just conceal to just give it that very defining part. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. It doesn't necessarily have to be perfect. I mean, we're beginners, so yeah, relatable as possible. So this hair is a very short hair, very, very short actually. So I'm going to straighten this out. I'm going to straighten it out to show that what I'm doing is right. Yeah, that's it. I'm sure there are many people like me that just feel like when you're watching something, it feels like, okay, no, I think I'll be able to do this thing very well. how many people can relate? Like you just watching something and you feel like, no, this thing I'm just going to do it very well. When you're now doing your own like this, it's going to be a tug of war. That's how it really is for me all the time, like almost every time I watch something. That's why it's taking me so long to do this. Sorry. I don't know what I'm telling you, sorry. I just feel really okay. This side seems to, I don't know why I'm getting the left side very well. But this right side is just looking like error. Like, and see what I do. Okay, so now I'll just remove this thing. This elastic, I'll remove it now. Oh, goodness, I think I've tied it so tightly. Hey, God, what have I done? That's it. Okay, so this one, now looking for it. I'll extend this here. Just so I'm sure that I'm not doing something wrong. That's basically it. Okay, so you can just choose to do this. So just take these two parts out and make that very big swoop. That swoop that people say swoop. I'll just do the swoop here and do baby hairs for myself. I'm going to cut this part down. So that's it. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. What do you think my score will be? Don't butcher me. Don't remember I'm an amateur like you. I just said I'm going to put myself out there this time and start trying out new things. Well, for me, I don't think I did bad, but how do you think I did? Drop your comment, drop my score in the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye.